Many people have read the book Think and Grow Rich, but do you actually know what's the secret? How you can get success from reading the book Think and Grow Rich? There are many principles in the book that Napoleon Hill talks about, but do you actually know the secret? One of the things that Napoleon Hill talks about, that you need a mastermind alliance to become successful. Have you got a mastermind alliance? One more thing that Napoleon Hill talks about, that having a definite major purpose. Do you have a definite major purpose, or are you just sitting in the dark like that? Another thing that he talks about is having the right positive mental attitude. Have you got the right positive mental attitude? Because if you don't, you won't get that success. And it's just one of the teeny tiny principles. So if you have read the book multiple times, still not seeing that success, I'd like you to connect with my Mastermind Alliance. People who dare to help you, support you, guide you every single step of the way. And I'd like to personally help you succeed in your life, not just mentally, but also financially. I'll leave a link in my bio. Click on that, and that way I can connect with you. And also comment below where you are and how are you with your finances. I'd like to help you. Thank you again. Bye for now.